Like I said, a section. Animals start to act funny around environments. Environments start to change. Animals are acting funny. They don't know what to make of it, but they're going to move away from the area because they sense dangers now in the area. Places are starting to have mud puddles that pop up. Bugs are starting to react in different ways because something strange around the environment. Moths attract the bright light. It's been known. And you get a form of them, you'll get thousands of them by that. Birds will flight down when, a shock wave happens. It's been known to see birds actually crash into the ground. You ever seen the movie called The Core? Watch it. Trust me. Watch the movie called The Core. A lesson learned. So the weirder these environments get, the weirder these things go, we start to realize things. People go down, people start to realize things, environments. Question is, do you pay attention to your environment? Do you pay attention to what's around your environment? Like weird things happening. Because apparently stuff that people weren't paying attention to, now they're aware of. That they weren't aware of back then, that was already on the century of Earth, but just didn't appear around them. Or maybe real actual celestial beings from another planet are now appearing on our Earth. Now, well, I gotta do this in quantities of a time to explain to you that these people are identifying fields of things that they cannot make out or understand, period, because they simply cannot understand it. It is not for them to understand. It's only for God to understand, to tell you in the time that is right. You can either go with the flow and be thankful that you have something with the flow, or you can sit here and ponder for a decade, pondering, and then when God comes up and shows you, you didn't need to ponder for years and years, decades, because over time you will find the answer when the time is right, way in faith. So don't stress. Find better ways to go about things. Move around your environment. Be thankful you got an environment to go move around. And take the time to be able to be happy. While our monkeys are acting very strange today, and these guys are sitting into a steam pot. Yes, tell me about it, you big baboons. These guys should not be in the water like that, because there's things that are happening. So we're on a constant move, and there's people constantly showing, or we're sitting here at our own home plate, trying to rise. These guys are bad. I'm here. That's right. Now come on over here. Follow me. Come on over here. Instead of killing them, we're going to do something better. We're going to run away from them and get up on top of something that they can't find us. At least that guy has a fighting chance to get away. That was the whole point. Now, why we're doing some stranger things and why that down there does not look right. Let's go take a look. What the freak? I don't even want to know. Okay. Meanwhile, why are they sick? What is going on here? Is this part of a plan? I don't know. I'm not even messing with it. I will come back to that later. Okay. Meanwhile, why people react in different ways. People will react in different ways. People will have problems with others. People are trying to look for answers within others that they don't have, because really there is no answer for it yet. because they haven't identified what the source is, or they simply do not know, or they're simply not aware. There is a real answer for each thing if you look in the right places and understand in the right places. So it's simple. Don't make it hard on yourself and identify what is around the purpose of what only you can understand. If you can't understand it, then you accept it for what it is, like the flow of the stream. Now watch this carefully, because I'm going to send this to you too, and you will see what I'm getting. Can you identify all these rocks? Can you identify the fish, the bugs, the mammals that you've never seen before? No. Can you identify the flow? Why it acts so weird? Can you identify why there's storms that you've never even heard of? Can you identify certain things? Can somebody please tell me what's going on? But you don't have an answer for it, because the answer is not yet ready to be seen, to be faced. God itself can answer that question when the time is right. Maybe there's not going to be an answer for that yet, until the time is right. All in this time. All you can do is be thankful and keep on moving forward and hoping that with the stream, it goes the right way with the flow. Now, to argue on a district line is not going to change the outcome of this. Go with the flow. Be at ease.